Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Only's World of Weather. Clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for May 30th to June 11th. For May 30th to June 4th, this is what we're forecasting here. We have a trough in the west, ridge over the southeast with above normal heights, but the ridge forecast over northeast Pacific builds into western Canada. And the trough is forecast in the west, ridge over the southeast, and time will be suppressed further to the south. Now we're going to look at another thing. We're expecting more heavy rain and storms in the southern plains to Ohio Valley in the northeast. So we're going to go here first tomorrow at 8 a.m. Or we'll go to 8 p.m. Okay. Here's the center of the low. Here's rain. Very heavy rainfall extends into the northeast. That's the GFS. Here's a European. And then we go to 2 p.m. on Wednesday. So I have rain. And then we look at the GFS, the European. Get these miles all mixed up. Then we come to 2 a.m. on Thursday. You can see we have heavy rain down here in the southern plains. Over and over again, these areas are getting hit with excessive rainfall amounts. And then we look at the European. Similar, and then we'll go to 8 p.m. on Thursday. More rain. Now it's shifted over to the Midwest. And we look at the European. Now it's more to the east. The European has a northeast. And then we'll go to, let's say, 2 p.m., 8 p.m. Then we go to Saturday. You see we have repeated areas of heavy rain. Another area of significant rainfall will be possible in the southern and central plains over the weekend. And this will be due to a front stalling, providing additional focus for showers and storms. And we can see it right there. Further west, showers are expected from the Great Basin to the central and northern Rockies. There's a couple of weeks. Southern stream shortwaves move across the area. June 2nd to the 6th. You can see the ridge is forecast in the west and the northeast, and a ridge over the southeast. All right, that's wrong. We have a ridge over the southeast, and we have a trough in the west. Now the Arctic Oscillation is heading negative in the 6 to 10 into the 10 to 15 day period, and this will force colder air or cooler air into the upper Midwest, Great Lakes, and the Northeast. So this is going to support this trough here over the Northeast. So we're going to look at the models here. They're generally the same. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here, and for the southeast, with the anomalies at 6 to 12 degrees, above normal and below normal temperatures here. And even though shown here like 6 to 12, I'm going to be a little modest right now. I'm going to say 2 to 4 degrees below normal, but still below normal. And for precipitation, call for below normal precipitation here, and much of this area here. And the probability of occurrence is 35%. Then we have above normal precipitation forecast for this region here, and the probability of occurrence is 35%. June 7th to the 11th. Now, the ridge of the southeast forecasts a retrograde more to the west, more over Mexico, and you'll see this in some of the models. So you can see it here. You see it also here. And above normal heights are forecast for much of the nation. And to some degree, the GEFS. GFS depicts a trough over the northeast. So we'll look at that. GFS. Here it is. A little bit of a trough in this. For this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperature above normal temperature for much of the nation, and a forecast anomalies of 2 to 6 degrees above normal. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here, and a forecasted probability of occurrence is 35%, and above normal precipitation forecast for this region here, probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. Now talking about the tropics. Okay, we're still watching this this area of disturbed weather, and it's called a gyre here across Central America, bringing heavy rainfall. Now, if you look at some of the models, this is rainfall amounts in, I think, 6-hour periods. So we'll go tomorrow. Now they're not working. Let me see if I can get it to work. All right, there they go. This is Tuesday. Although it's pretty normal for this time of the year, it still needs to be watched for areas of development. It's still circulating down there, bringing heavy rain and flash flooding concerns. And it'll be possible in the mountainous regions. And the strong convection has shifted offshore overnight in the morning, and this occurs across southwest Caribbean, offshore to Costa Rica, and extreme southeast Nicaragua. So this needs to be watched in the next couple of days. That's it for now, and have a good day.